Chapter 9 Ladybug, Ladybug. Learning objectives. 1. Understanding the innocence of childhood. 2. Change of innocence to maturity over time. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. Your house is on fire and your children all gone. All except one, and that's Anne, for she has crept under the frying pan. Find meaning. Fly away, escape, except, leave out. Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. Whose house is on fire? Answer. Ladybug's house is on fire. B. Are all children gone due to fire? Yes, all children are gone due to fire. C. Who has crept under the frying pan? Answer. Anne has crept under the frying pan. Find their meanings. A. Fly away, escape. B. Crept under, move slowly. C. House on fire, vigorously. D. Frying, typically in a shallow pan. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Fly away, home. B. Your house is on fire and your children all gone. C. All except one, and that's Anne, for she has crept under the frying pan. Take the correct option. A. The children are singing the rhyme when a dash lands on them. 1. Ladybug, 2. Bumblebee, 3. Butterfly. 1. Ladybug. B. Who is Anne in the poem? 1. Ladybug, 2. Poet, 3. Children. 3. Children. Match the following. Ant. B. Butterfly, cockroach, fly, mosquito. Let's enjoy the poem. Write the last word in each sentence. Use the picture as a clue. I see the deer, door, deer. I see the fog, frog, frog. I see the great gate, gate. I see the hat, ham, hat. Communication, writing skills. Read the words below and write them in alphabetical order. Ladybug, butterfly, cricket, moth, grasshopper, hornet, termite, ant, firefly, wasp. Answer. A. Ant, B. Butterfly, C. Cricket, D. Firefly, E. Grasshopper, F. Hornet, G. Ladybug, H. Moth, I. Termite, J. Wasp. Choose 2 words from above and write a sentence with each. Reading skills. Read the below poem on Ladybug and take the correct option. The ladybug. I see a little bug. It is a ladybug. The ladybug is red and black. The ladybug is on the flower. A. I see a frog, B. Bug, C. bird. B. Bug. B. The ladybug is A. Red and white, B. Black and blue, C. Red and black. C. Red and black. C. The ladybug is on A. Flower, B. Mat, C. Grass. A. Flower. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will read out the descriptions of some of the insects. Listen to the descriptions carefully and write 1 to 6 in the order in which they are described.